Welcome back. Let's begin first by answering the questions that most people have on their mind when thinking about taking an online course. What's in it for me? What is so different about this course compared to other Canadian income tax courses out there? Let me ask you a question. Have you ever taken an online course and feel like you're just not getting anything? Or sat in a classroom learning about taxes and after completing the course, wondered, how am I going to remember all these laws, debits, credits, and deductions? Finally, you are finished and never really doing anything about what you have learned. What about all the income tax books you bought that were so hard to understand? You find the topic you were looking for, but still, the way it is written, after a few minutes reading, you still do not understand a thing. You buy a tax software to do your own taxes, and after completing your taxes you see you owing much more than the year before. You know you have a problem, but you just can't understand what it is. Well, with my proven step-by-step approach, you will not only remember what you learn in this course, but you will also retain the information I teach you. In fact, I'm going to ask you to not try to remember anything, just be willing to learn. This course has been designed to make understanding taxes simple and to abolish all your fears. I am going to repeat many of the things here over and over in different ways and in different scenarios, and by the time the course is over, I guarantee you will be answering your own questions. With this course, you will have the choice to choose to learn using a computer or to learn using paper. You can choose to learn only what you need to learn and forget about the rest. Most Canadian online tax courses today have one thing in common: how to prepare a federal tax return for Canada, but never includes the province of Quebec. I will give you samples of the differences in the tax returns of Quebec and the other provinces. The course has been designed to teach you tax preparation for all of Canada, including the province of Quebec. But if you choose to learn only tax preparation for Canada or Quebec, then you can do just that. Just look at the alternative course sequence. It will give you all the courses that will aid you in understanding and preparing a tax return for just the province of Quebec or all of Canada. You decide how and what you want to learn. You can decide your own learning time frame. You will have 6 months to a year. And if that's not enough time for you, don't worry, you can always renew your subscription whenever you like. Most tax courses today is questionable. They leave you with lots of unanswered questions. But here, I will teach you tax preparation in a plain and simple and an understandable way. This course will give you what others won't, and that is a joy to learn about taxes. All materials and where to find help will be provided to you to follow along with the course. This course has been designed to make learning tax preparation easy for everyone who take this course, and I know at the end of this course, you will have a very good understanding of how to prepare Canadian tax returns for all provinces, including the province of Quebec. Let's move on to the next video now.